In this video, I am going to show you how to create a setup file by using Visual Studio. First, you need to install an installer, so click on the extension and click on Manage Extension, and in the search bar type installer and select Microsoft Visual Studio Installer. I have already installed the Microsoft Visual Studio Installer, so I will not install it. This is my project. Now let's try to create the setup file. So right click on the solution and click on add, then click on new project, then in the search bar type setup and select setup project and click on next. You can give the project name or the setup file of your choice. I will leave as it is. It will be saved on the desktop and click on create. After this, click on the application folder, right click, then click on add, then click on project output, then select primary output, then click on OK, then right click on the primary output, then click on create shortcut, click on the shortcut to primary output, right click, and click on the shortcut to primary output, right click, then click on rename and give the software name. I will give my software name as CS software, so click on it, then type F4 and in the icon drop down select browse, then click on browse, then click on application folder, then click on add, then find the destination of your icon. I have created my icon on the desktop, so I will select my icon, then click on open, then click on open, then click on OK, then right click on the CS software, then click on cut and click on the desktop, then right click, then click on paste. This will create a shortcut icon on the desktop. In the same way, click on application folder, right click on the primary output, right click, then click on create shortcut, click on the shortcut, right click, click on the shortcut, right click and click on rename and type it as CS software or the name of your source. My software name is CS software. Click on it and type F4, then click on the icon drop down, then click on browse, then click on browse, then double click the application folder, then select the icon, then click on OK, then click on OK. Click on the CS software, click on the CS software, right click, then click on cut, click on the program menu, right click, then click on paste. This will create an icon on the program menu. Click on the setup and type F4. You can give the company name or author name. I will give here CS software. In the same way, I will give the manufacturer as CS software. Provide the details according to your company detail, and you can in the version you can give the version of your software. And right click on the setup one, then click on build. This will create the setup file on the desktop. Now close the Visual Studio and see whether the setup file is created. The setup file is created on the debug and the setup file is created here. Icon can be created online, so go to the Google Chrome and you can search for the icon creators website, or you can download the software for creating icon. In this way we create icon, and if your project includes Crystal Report, then you have to install the appropriate version of Crystal Report on the client machine. Now the setup project is created on the setup file. In order to install the setup file, we have to click on the setup one. So this will install the software on the client PC. Click on next and it will install the software on the client PC.